What does $100 million buy you? Not just a house, but a world only a few can even imagine. Stay with me, you're about to step inside pure luxury. Step inside the grand living area. Plush beige sofas surround a golden coffee table. The exterior design combines sleek black marble, warm beige stone, and shimmering golden accents. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls invite natural light while offering endless panoramic views. From the king-size bed facing floor-to-ceiling windows, to the walk-in closet designed like a private boutique. While custom art pieces adorn the black marble walls, a stunning golden chandelier hangs above, casting a soft warm glow throughout the open space. Golden faucets, and a freestanding bathtub with perfect sunset views. The spa-like bathroom features black marble walls. Every detail reflects both function and flawless design. The rooftop lounge includes plush seating, a golden fire pit, and panoramic city views, ideal for relaxing or entertaining under the stars. Leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more luxury home tours you won't want to miss.